Welcome, today in front of me OUKITEL K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant feature on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that, the Google application. And after that, tap on the right upper corner, then click to the settings and tap to the to the voice section. After that, click to the voice match, but first be sure that the Google Assistant is activated, and then just tap here to Hey Google switcher once, then tap to OK. Click Yes, I agree after when you will read the description, and tap to continue. Now we can see that the Hey Google feature is successfully activated, but also we should add the voice model. So just click here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after that, just tap here to finish, and now one will say just okay Google or Hey Google. We can see that this feature successfully is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.